Hello everyone. So I'm going to be teaching you about the reverse effect. As always, we're going to start from import media. Going to go down to downloads, reverse effect, and we're going to hit import selected. We're going to drag this down to now playing. I'm going to show you just some of this raw footage. It's pretty bland. I have the power. I could go further and show you the whole thing, but I don't need to. You know, most of it is just very, very bland footage here. And this is what is done in editing, really. So we're going to obviously go off this audio wave here, this peak, that shows you kind of where we start. But this has to be very, very precise if we want to achieve the effect that we want here. And so as close as possible, let me see if I can zoom in even further. Actually, no, I'm going to zoom back now. So we want to, okay, so we actually want to try to make sure that we get that pointer on this line here, and this is where our effects are coming in at. And let's do that zoom again. All right, let's actually go for even a bit more precision here. And then let's hit split clip. And we'll just delete this clip. See if we can go out even further here. And I'm just going to play this real quick because I need to make another split. I have the power. All right, so I'm going to do another split. I'm going to add it here. And for the sake of convenience, I'm going to zoom back out here. I'm going to zoom just a little bit more. I want to make it easy on you. Now, this clip right here is, we got to be precise on this one if we want to make this reverse effect look pretty cool. So let me see here. So I want my arms to be at my side, and you'll actually see why when I do the final stuff here. And we're just going to delete this stuff, and what we're left with is 6 seconds. This is precision editing. We're actually going to take the sound out of this clip because it's the sound of the gum smacking the table, and you'll see why that's not necessary. And the actual clip at the beginning, I'm going to make the clip at the end. And again, you're going to actually see why that is when this is all done. Alright, so I've selected a clip I want to apply effects to. And here we're going up again on our speed thing. And I want to keep the speed normal, actually. I think this clip will look far better if you do that. So I'm going to hit reverse. Now remember, the reverse effect is only going to be on the selected clip. Now let's actually see what we got here. I have the power. It makes me look like I'm using the force. The reverse is used all the time in editing, and a lot of people don't know it, such as when you see crashes from the perspective of, say, the bumpers and things like that. There's other effects for it as well. It's just an interesting effect, and like I said, it makes you look like you're using the force.